Hello everyone, welcome back to Grimm's Garage, and today on recent diecast pickups, I've got a bit of everything, I guess. Unfortunately, just two matchboxes, one main and one working rigs. Very unfortunate, that was the only one I saw in the pegs. Usually I try to grab them all and do a video on those exclusively, but honestly I have no idea what the other ones are. That's the only one I saw. Got a Hot Wheel premium set, two other premiums, two main lines, Johnny Lightning, and an Auto World. And without further ado, I think I'll start off with the Matchbox line, since it seems to be most people's favorites that view my channel, and I don't blame them. Matchbox is awesome. Dune Dog. I'll be honest with you, I could have swore I had this, but I can't find record of it anywhere. I'm sure a viewer probably have better recollection than I would. I have at least one variation of this, but I can't find this one in my collection. I swear I had it, but we'll figure that out later down the road, I guess. And we'll just enjoy this guy for now. Lions Brothers Racing. Wings on the side there. Number 8. Fun casting. Lots of detailed accessories. Although being plenty of plastic. But very fun model. Working rig. Very excited to have more new working rigs, but as stated, disappointed that I don't even know what the other ones are. This is the only one that was on the peg. It's near holiday season. I'm not going to Walmart and Target every single day like I used to. We've gone through some financial situations, illnesses and car repairs, whatnot, and it's the holiday season, so I'm not looking every day, so I missed out, unfortunately. We'll see what the rest are. We're going to take a look at this guy, the crop sprayer. A lot of these have been reissues, but this is the first crop sprayer for me, at least. It doesn't say new casting, so I assume this has been out before. I just don't have record of it from my own collection. Let's see. Oh, I did that backwards. Sorry about that. And there we go. Oh, snapping off already. Spread it out. Quite the spread on that. Wide distance. Plenty of die casts on this model. Pardon. All the blue and black is die cast. Well, not all the black. I don't think the black engine parts in the back are metal, and obviously not the wheels, but the base metal and all the blue top is metal. Operated by Bard Farms. Nice little addition. Pretty cool. Quite large. Alright, guess we'll do the Hot Wheels next. First main lineup is a Honda Super Cub. I think I have 2 or 3 of already. Here's a nice little yellow one. Yellow and cream. Yep, I don't even know why I have the knife out. I don't need that. I'm not keeping these packages. Just what else facilitates. And here we are. Here's the rivet side. It's a little less lackluster. Here's our show side. Very much reminds me of a banana cream pie. All the colors are there. But always a fun little cute model. Glad to have some more. And a new one. I could have swore I opened something similar to this. Maybe it was Matchbox recently. I could have swore it was a Land Rover or a Jeep with the windshield down. But definitely did not have a surfboard on it. Look at that. New for 2023. Land Rover Series 2. Baja Blazer Series. What? 2021 date? What? Anyway. BF Goodrich. Cool. Hot Wheels. Nice front end. A little lacking on the tempo, but the rest of this is sweet. Rear end. Look at that top. Folded down windshield. And surfboard. Right hand drive. Alright. Flip flops in the back. With a wrench. A cooler. Very awesome. This is very cool. I want to like collecting those. Oh, we got some Hot Wheel premiums. First off, we have the Datsun 620. What is available on this series? I did pick this one up in a previous video. That was the only one I was able to obtain. I've got this one right now, and we're gonna look at this one. The T1 bus is still MIA for me, and I've been passing on the hauling gas. But here's a Datsun. And I'm liking those Motul colors. Tan on red with black. We got some paint on the tire. Just some flakes floating around. Got to be brushed or blown off. Oh, does look like I got a chip under that. Oh, just another flake. Nice. As usual, beautiful model and made way better being a premium. The rubber tires. The extra paint job. Double metal body. Very beautiful. And as mentioned before, the 62 Chevy pickup with surfboards. Lucas Oil. And here we are. This one does seem to have better paint where it shouldn't be. unfortunately. Beautiful model, just as the other one is always. This one more so, in my personal opinion. Nice white stripes, red rims. Got a little surfboard. I think these unlock. Yeah. It is removable. Very cool. Nice rear end too. Nice. We got ourselves a Hot Wheel 4-pack premium, and I'll be honest with you, you know me, this isn't really my thing, but I'm a big van guy, and I know it's a fantasy vehicle, but I love the Hot Wheel Rally Hauler. So as soon as I saw that van with extra trailer, I wanted it. And I did decide to keep the Metro, so I'll keep that as well. Maybe the Delta, but definitely not the Ford. Ford's definitely going up for trade. Anyway, we're going to rip this guy open. These are not for show. So out they go. We got a lot of rubber bands. Alright. Alright. MG Metro GR4. I only have one other one, which is in yellow with red. So ironically came with another Hot Wheel hauler van. So I'll have a pair. Brilliantly colored. Very nice. Always nice details on that model. Put that up there for now. Alright. Let's take a look at the Ford. We got here Ford RS200. Someone might want to rip this apart just for the rims. Personally, I can't think offhand what I want that for, but you know, I can see where some people want this vehicle, totally. But honestly, it's just not for me. And I'm not a wheel swapper. So I also get the appeal of premium loose models like this. I can see how someone would want these rims, whether they like the car or not, but it is a nice car. Someone will want it without wanting to buy the whole set. That's a good thing about someone like me. I want one or two, I'll trade away the rest. It's nice to find that other person that likes the other half of what you bought. Ooh, alright. Some Integral. Get these rubber bands out of here. Alright. Lancia Delta Integral. I haven't decided on this. I think I might keep it for now. But I don't believe I'll end up keeping these. You know what? No. I'm going to put this in the sale bin right away. I'm not going to start another thing. It is beautiful, though. It really is. I like my little hatchbacks. But I know nothing of this brand. I'm not going to pretend like I do. It is a nice model, though. Someone will appreciate it more than I will. And the last one is Van how I watered in the first place, which is the last thing anyone else is actually watching this video is probably interested in, ironically. But yeah, I like this deluxe set for the Throne crap model, if you will. And I'm not sorry about that. First off, we got a little trailer. It is all die cast. Nice. Rubber tires and rims. Painted taillights. Other than that, not too much to show there. You've seen this before. And here is our van. Bilstein. Colors are alright. Always happy to have another one of these in my collection. Don't care if it's the fantasy model. Pretty damn cool to me. And I'm not even into racing, so maybe I'll just get a fleet of these and put my Hot Wheel go-karts on the backs of them. How about that? Anyway. Next up, we're going to go with the Auto World. It's this 85 Plymouth Voyager. I think this is my third or fourth one. This is a new model this year. This model is beautiful. Me and a lot of other people are loving this. As I mentioned before, you don't see them these days, but about 20 years ago, you saw a lot of these looking like rust buckets on the road. We were all sick of looking at them. We didn't want to see them anymore, but now in nostalgia, not seeing them fresh anymore, and seeing these nice castings, this is beautiful. It's got a silver interior, as well as exterior. I always keep missing the hood opens on these. Every other one I don't bother to look under the hood. But there we are. It's a beautiful model. Very nice details. I think there may be about 6 versions of this out. 3 technically with the AB variants, I guess. I have like 4 or 5 of them. 3 or 4. 4. I don't know. Who knows? I lose track of everything, but that is gorgeous. Love that model. But we're going to end today with this Johnny Lightning Monopoly piece. But before, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps me out tremendously to bring you quality videos and more frequent videos. This is a 1960 Studebaker with camper. I'm a sucker for accessories and campers, so that's cool. Right. Another exclusive little game base. Beautiful. I never understood why Johnny always shows the last pile you missed on the back of the new cards instead of what's coming up next. I never understood that. I mean, I guess it's a different approach. You never know what they're thinking. Maybe some of us want to know what we missed out on. But if you're that needy to know, these days, you know. Let's take a look at this little Monopoly piece first. Tiny little guy, painted blue. Still die-cast, though. Previous ones that I've seen were all just the plain metal Zamac looking, classic Monopoly style. But that's pretty nice. That'll really stand out on the board. And it's official. But here, there's Studebaker with the Waterworks theme. As usual, probably have to straighten up some of the rubber on the rims there. It was a little bit wonky. Take some finesse. Very nice details on all around. It usually is on these theme series, all the theme series. Does camper come off? No, that's glued on there. I'm not going to mess with that. That hood looks like it might open, though. Yes. There we are. Ooh, look at that. Very unique. Gorgeous. And with that, thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll join me again soon. Please know you're all very much appreciated, and I hope you have a very good night.